When Jessa moved into a new apartment with her family, her bedroom was across from a door that was always locked. Her parents said it was just an empty attic. But every night at 12:03 a.m., Jessa heard strange whispers coming from behind the door. At first it was soft humming, then voices began calling her name. One night, Jessa got out of bed and saw the attic door standing wide open. Cold air rushed out, carrying a smell like something dead. She walked closer. Inside she saw a rocking horse moving on its own, and 3 creepy children with pale skin, standing completely still. She suddenly fainted outside the door. In the morning, when she told her parents what had happened the night before, they didn't believe her. They said she must have imagined it,